There was too much frost on the roof this morning. I don't know if you can see that or not. See it glistening? Anyway, I was gonna start doing the valley 10, but it's just too slick. So I thought I'd get a couple rows on, that way I could get up there and work on the valley safely. So I started the shingles. That's my starter course. And then, I don't know if you can see the snow against my jacket right now, but this job has to be finished. I don't care if it's snowing. Okay, I got this side done. As far as this ridge, I still have to work on this. I have to I gotta tear this up. That's a little bit of rot right there from this chimney. So I'll tear this off right here and then rebuild some underlayment there. And then finish the valley up to the ridge here. And then this weekend I'll tear this off and put more shingles on.